Filled with excitement, I run to the hills, leaving the pull of machines far behind. So much around me is giving me thrills, in tune with my senses and clearing my mind. The dust of the desert is warm on my feet. Surrounded by nature, I look to the sky, horizons where heaven and earth choose to meet. The hawk and the eagle connect from on high. The voice of the wind, it is speaking to me. Familiar the sounds from an age long ago, where we understood and our spirits ran free. I listen to music from trees as they blow. Immersed in the moment, connected to earth, the mother is holding me close to her chest. For she never left me, was there at my birth. She gave me the blessings she knew were the best. Far from the concrete and cities of lights, out in the open I breathe the fresh air, awaiting the wonders of star-studded nights. My feelings are heightened, for I am aware. Strolling down canyons and climbing up rocks, I am at peace in a world gone insane, away from the phone and computer and clocks, a land of the gods where abundance doth reign. Wildflowers and cacti with juniper's charm join in the dance in this magical land, a kingdom of beauty that nothing shall harm, a glorious creation within the red sand. It's here I experience all life's greatest gifts, and knowing that love is the key to it all, for will come the day when our consciousness shifts, and we shall arise from humanity's fall. For now, I'm content to embrace what I see. With vistas so glorious I tingle with joy. I know that the angels will watch over me, just like they were hovering when I was a boy. Throughout my childhood, I knew other states, dimensions transcending our limited thought. My soul in Sedona is ready and waits for answers to questions I always have sought.